Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the Unconventional Attorney, the owner of CMS Law Firm. Today, I want to talk to you about what Facebook's outage can teach you about law firm marketing. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you are not subscribed to the world's greatest law firm owner newsletter of all time, you can do so by going to theunconventionalattorney.com/newsletter. Every Sunday, I send you some goodness, deep dive on some of the things I talk about here, but it's definitely information you can't get anywhere else, and it's definitely information that you want to know. All right? theunconventionalattorney.com/newsletter. All right. So today is October 4th, and some of you won't know about Facebook's outage because you never use Facebook, which in and of itself is a problem, which maybe we'll talk about later on. But unless you were under a rock, you were without Facebook for a while today. And you were also without Instagram. You were also without WhatsApp, I believe. There was an outage. Some conspiracy theorists believe that, there was some whistleblower that came out against Facebook yesterday. There was some 60 Minutes interview or something. And now all of a sudden Facebook is down for a day. People think they're destroying files and doing all kinds of things. I don't know if that's true or not. I think that's interesting. I didn't know about that. But in any event, Facebook was out. Facebook was down for the day. Instagram was down for the day. And I know that some of the people in my circle, in my world, probably had a pretty bad business day today because a lot of their business is driven from Facebook and Instagram. Not necessarily us, although I do drive quite a bit of business from Facebook. My leads actually are just fine. My days are full, and I had a bunch of, I'm just looking at past the camera at my emails, and I think I probably had 5 or 6. There we go, and we're back, which is good. This is a lesson to all of us, and it's a lesson I preach about a lot inside the sanctuary. It is essentially, do not put all of your eggs in one basket. I know a lot of you rely on referrals specifically and strictly for business. A lot of you rely on, something else specifically and strictly for business. If that is the case, then you could be in trouble if things change, okay? My business, we do Google ads, we do Facebook ads, I create content, we have referrals, we do all these different things, and it helps to ensure that if one of those things goes out, the business doesn't just like crumble to the ground. COVID, particularly with the referral business, kind of demonstrated the ability of those things to just go away. This is a good opportunity to demonstrate that because there were definitely people today that struggled in business. Maybe not us, maybe not law firm owners, but there definitely were people that have all of their eggs in the Facebook or Instagram Apple basket. So today is a reminder to diversify your marketing. I will probably soon add some YouTube advertising potentially. There's a direct mail. There's like all of these different things that you can do. But if you're relying on one source of business, particularly if it's referrals, that's dangerous. Your referral source could die. Your referral source could make new friends and decide that you are no longer going to be part of the referral relationship. Your referral partner could get a promotion. Somebody new could step into their spot. They could sell the business. They could retire. They could do they get in a car accident and just be out of commission for a couple months. Any of these things could happen that could destroy your business. And I've experienced this firsthand, not with referrals, but with other things. When I was running my business back in the day, my law firm back in the day, I was pretty much entirely reliant on search engine optimization, search results for my business. This is when I had the DUI practice. And if you Googled DUI attorney, basically anywhere, I was showing up. Those Google search results were enough to give me plenty of business, a lot of business. Well, one day Google updated their algorithm, and some of the things that I was doing, the new algorithm didn't like, and I disappeared from the face of Google search just like in an instant. One day I was there, the next day I was not. And my business suffered greatly from that, greatly. And so this is a lesson that I've learned firsthand, and I wanted to just take an opportunity to remind you of that, to encourage you to, bolster your current sources of potential clients, but don't forget about adding new potential client sources over time. should always be adding to the mix. You want as many streams of new business as possible so that if something happens like it did today with Facebook to your stream of new clients, you have these other streams that are working for you, okay? That's it. So just a friendly reminder, you see this every once in a while, and it's brutal if it's you, okay? That is it for today. As always, if you like this video or this podcast, hit the like button. If you're someplace you can subscribe, do it. If you're someplace you can leave a rating and review, do it. And if you are not subscribed to the world's greatest law firm owner newsletter of all time, you can do so by going to theunconventionalattorney.com/newsletter. Sign up. I'm sending it out again. I sent one out today, yesterday. I'm getting regularly back on that game. It's going to be amazing. I'm sharing really great stuff in there. So go check that out. And that's it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the unconventional attorney. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon.